Hey, how's it going, everybody? I've got this mini DC UPS here for an unboxing and review. Here's everything that came in the box. Well, take a look at this. Status board there. Here's all the connections on the back. And then it also comes with some cords here. Some other ones. And the power. There's where the power cord goes. Alright, I got it hooked into the wall there. It's plugged in right now. And here's our Wi-Fi right there. So as you can see, here's my status, and it's running off battery. I'm not connected to the wall at all. This cord here, this is an extra end. This cord's coming around here to the back of the Wi-Fi. You can see I have power now. It takes a couple minutes. That light was just staying blue. Yep. See, green lights. And here is the back of the Wi-Fi right there. Just the cable and the cord going from here to here. And I got full Wi-Fi initiation there. This thing's gonna be awesome. Now I'm not worried about the power outages anymore. Got a backup. All right, and to turn this thing off or on, just push that button right there. Really like this thing, really happy with this. Highly recommend this if you have the power to go out. This is a great thing to have as a backup for your Wi-Fi. That way you got internet when there's no power. All right, everybody, thank you for watching.